In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an admin from a Google Ads account. If you're cleaning up access, tightening security, or handing off responsibilities, removing an admin safely and correctly is important. I'll walk you through the process clearly and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident doing it. First, open your Google Ads account in your web browser and sign in with the profile that actually has permission to manage users. Only users with the right level of access can remove an admin. If you don't see the options I mention in a moment, it likely means your permissions are limited and you'll need to have an existing admin complete this. Once you're in the account, go to the admin area. Depending on your layout, you may see an admin option directly, or you might click the Tools and Settings icon at the top right and find the admin section there. From within admin, choose Access and Security. This is the central place where user access is managed for your Google Ads account. On the Access and Security page, you'll see a list of users with access, including those with admin roles. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts or work within a manager account. You can scan the list, use the search box, or filter by role to quickly locate the admin you want to remove. It helps to double-check their role and make sure you're removing the right person, since removing an admin takes effect immediately. When you've located the specific account you want to remove, click Remove Access next to their name. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Confirm the removal and the change will apply right away. The user will no longer be able to sign into this Google Ads account, and any pending invitations for that user will be cancelled. Don't worry. Removing someone does not delete your campaigns, budgets, or data. Your account keeps running as usual, and the change history will still show actions that user performed in the past. A couple of quick tips before you wrap up. If you don't see Remove Access, you might not have sufficient permissions, or you may be looking at a linked manager rather than a direct user. Also, consider documenting who currently has admin access before making changes, so you maintain a clear record. That's it. Open your account, navigate to Admin, go to Access and Security, find the admin you want to remove, and click Remove Access. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Google Ads account secure and tidy.